before the baby comes.
The cabin build continues. I don't think Levi's done a lot of talking. We have all been kind of running around like chickens with our heads cut off. Winter is well on the way. We woke up to 48 degrees this morning and it's mid-July.
Okay, looks good. And now we gotta keep this.
Right.
So I'm gonna stick that shit. I figured, you know, when you're building a house and it takes you 3 months or something.
And you were hanging out an inch and a half this way.
You can hold that kind of flush. Just a bit.
If anything, I gotta go that way.
I just couldn't get to it.
You got that side?
That's our problem. Because we got 3/4 on that landing, we got an inch and a thick one here. Yeah. Something like that, probably.
And now am I going to the bottom line here?
Yeah.
And then I'm good.
This one is a little high. That looks real good. We were gonna build the Henry's wall where over here someplace.
I was thinking.
8/9. This top of plywood. Top of plywood.
Yeah.
And this gets an inch of scrap on it. Delivered. I usually do on this number here.
Well, hello, guys. Nice to see you.
You got my pencil?
What are you doing?
My arms refuse to open. Ah!
Don't wait for a second.
I should have stayed in the camper. I don't know what I was thinking coming out right now. Okay. Jesus, that was stressful. Ah, this thing, okay.
Well, not that hard.
There's one upstairs.
Hey.
Are you well done? Dun 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 dun.
I'm gonna try the shin then. It looks like they're gonna use the bigger stuff.
Yeah.
get that to fit with dirt, but for now. Now this one's here. Maybe to take the dirt out now, but I can't even get right here. No, I think I have some more. Let me take these hours. That's perfect. This one needs some of these things too. Just like that. What do you think? It felt fine to me.
Basically where we're at is all of the windows are totally in. They are about to put in the front door. The French back door is in. They built us kind of a temporary set of steps that might end up being pushed through the winter. I don't really foresee us having time to do either of the porches this year. We are talking about getting the holes and posts in the ground for the porches before winter comes, because then like this year we could probably do the porches come like March or so. Just get that in the ground stuff done. A wood shed is rapidly going up on the priority list as we start to cool off. So we have to trim the windows, trim the doors. We'll get insulation jammed in all of the little nooks and crannies. Skirting all the way around is a pretty high priority. There's one more burrow post to put in upstairs so we can finish that insulation and ceiling. Levi will also be insulating underneath the floor before the skirting goes on. The to-do list is still very long for mid-July. We're super grateful we got an early start on the cabin. This is not quite 4 months worth of work that we're looking at so far. I think we started somewhere around March 20th and it's almost July 20th.
Come right on.
Oh, dirty.
So it looks like we come in 2.5 inches and go. We ought to probably go outside of it and hang on to it.
This should be much easier.
See that thing you're talking about doing?
What?
Oh, that's not you.
That's not me. Who's talking about what?
You know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know what you're saying, Vern.
Huh?
The pieces. I think I can do, I just can't see.
Hmm?
Where you want?
Right here.
What? Want to screw?
Are you guys fighting?
Did you steal my phone?
I don't know what happened out after the roof metal.
Not.
Come on.
It's slippery.
Come on. Me and Henry will go out good.
No, you won't. Bless you.
And the window back off over there.
Oh, do you have one nail in it?
No.
No nails. Well, you know.